A quick tip on homebrew. If you're doing your fermentation or whatever it is, if you're not sure if it's dead, rather than trying to go and measure it or weigh it or any of those kind of things, there's a simple way you can find out if your fermentation is still fermenting. You can do it by smell, you can do it by taste, but the simplest way, get a teaspoon of sugar and put it in. If it starts fizzing, then that means it is still actively fermenting. If it doesn't fizz, it could be dead, in which case make up a fresh batch of yeast and just put it in. You could always just get some bread, bit of bovril, yeast extract, put that in as well. That can also kick it off. So yeah, you don't have to use technical equipment. You could just add a bit of sugar.